Oh, this you crazy mother.
If you use internet, then you must have heard the word metaverse. Literally every social media pages are now changing their names and content to stuff related to NFTs and metaverse. Mark Zuckerberg even changed the name of his company from Facebook to Meta. He thinks metaverse is the future and want to get in it early. Meta has said that they will hire 10,000 engineers from EU to build this metaverse. Ariana Grande performed a concert virtually in the Fortnite. World's big fashion companies are also experimenting by building virtual clothing. Nike is making virtual products for metaverse. Adidas has bought land in the sandbox. So what is happening? Why everyone is trying to get into this technology? Will it change the way the world interacts? And should you start looking at this technology as an opportunity? Today in this video, we will answer all these questions. We will also tell you how you can invest in this technology. But before, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So, what is Metaverse? To understand it, let's see how we interact with people on the internet right now. We use social media platform, messaging applications, make video calls, right? But are we fully satisfied with these services? Well, some of us will have second thoughts. We have seen lots of sci-fi movies where we have seen people interacting. It feels like the other person standing right in front of first person. Wouldn't it be cool to have that experience? Well, Metaverse aims to make this idea a reality, where the concept is to create new online spaces in which people's interactions can be more multidimensional, where users are able to immerse themselves in digital content rather than simply viewing it. So, Metaverse basically refers to digital spaces which are made more lifelike by the use of virtual reality. In other words, it's an online world where people can use different devices to move and communicate in a virtual environment. Some people even use the word metaverse to describe gaming worlds in which users have a character that can walk around and interact with other players. This is the technology in which Meta is willing to invest $5 billion, where big companies are jumping in to invest. So how we can also start to invest in this hot technology. We will discuss total 6 ways in which we can invest in Metaverse. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful information. Number 1. Project tokens. Project tokens, which is also known as cryptocurrencies. You can look for the coins under Metaverse category. There are coins such as Axie Infinity, Mana, Sand. Right now, Axie Infinity stands on top in this category in terms of market cap, but there are lots of other companies showing great promises. You can invest in this coins, which has lots of potential in coming years. Number 2. Individual assets. These are also known as NFT. With the Metaverse, you also must have heard about NFT. Lots of big influencers and celebrities are investing in NFT right now. You can invest in NFT or art collection of Metaverse. You just have to go to Opensea.io and search for the community you are interested in, like Decentralized or Sandbox, or you can look for their official websites. Number 3. The virtual land. Adidas recently have bought a land in Sandbox. The lands can be used for passive incomes. You can rent out this land for the players playing these games. Or you can look at it as a real estate property for longer run. Isn't this exciting? You can buy the land from official websites of these companies. There are many factors to consider before buying the lands, which we will cover in upcoming videos. Number 4. Ethereum. The economy of NFT, virtual good and blockchains, is mostly built around the Ethereum technology. So, to look for long-run Ethereum is our safe option. But the returns may not be that high compared to most of the other options. Number 5. Facebook, recently named as Meta, is planning on building the metaverse on very large scale, with bigger aim in mind. With the resources and the power Facebook has, they will make sure that they succeed in this initiative. So you can bet on Facebook for a safer option. Number 6. Invest in skills. If you are interested in technology and interested to learn it, then this option can serve you pretty well in the future. Building the metaverse is going to require a lot of new skills. By learning the skills like blockchain development, VR, and metaverse ecosystem, or virtual game development, you will make sure that you are ready for the jobs that will be offered in future with a lot more pay. Or you can use those skills to build your own empire in Metaverse, like many internet companies did in the Web 2.0. So, that's it for this video. Hope you have learned something new and will try to apply these in real life. Make sure to like and share this video. This gives us motivation to come up with more insightful content in the future. And subscribe so that you won't miss any updates.